This is how you can do production on Lytsoft Pos. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that that item you want to be producing has a recipe. So the system will not allow you to do production if you do not have recipes in place. So for example, we can go here where it says edit stock item, then we can search for a item, for example, English breakfast, for example. So I'll open the first one now. Here at the bottom here where it says advanced, if you scroll down you'll see there's where it says recipe, so create recipe. You need to make sure you take that, then it should give you this menu or this screen. So now from here we need to add the ingredients that are used to make this item so that we can produce it. So let's say we add, I'm just adding random ingredients here. So depending if you do it in units, milligrams, or grams, you can choose the type of measuring here, the unit of measure. So for example, here, if I go with grams and I say we put 300 there, I can click add. So you will notice it will add it there. So here it's just a matter of adding the items that are used in the manufacturing of the item. So if this is an item that I use as an ingredient, I can add it there, 200 grams, add. So once you're happy adding all the items here on the ingredients, you can go back there, and you can scroll all the way down here to where it says save. All right, now that that item is saved, we can now produce it because it has a recipe linked to it. So first thing again is we check what is the current quantity of that item right now. So as you can see, currently this item is -9. So if we go here on our menu bar and we go where it says production, we can now look for that item. So in my case, that is the item we are going to be producing. So we have that item here. So I can click select. Then now here I can specify how many units am I producing. So let's say for example that is 9. I'll say I've produced 12 and I can click produce. So this will deduct all my ingredients that I have on the system. So now if you go back here to edit stock item and search for that specific item, you'll notice now we have 3 in stock because of a production, and we previously were at -9. So it is 12 minus the 9, which is giving us the 3 currently that we have. So that's how you would do production on Lytsoft Pos using the back office.